everyone. Today we will do exercise 1.3 of unit 1, that is numbers and number names. So let's begin. Question number 1. Compare the following numbers, put greater than or less than in the blanks. So here we have to compare the numbers and use the sign of greater than and less than. So let's compare the numbers. Here we have 725029 and 89945. So here in this number we have 6 digit and here we have 5 digits. So obviously the number having more digits is greater. So the first number is greater. That is 7,25,029. Now next one is, here we have 3 and 2 5 digits and here we have 6 digits. So obviously the number which has more digits, that number is always greater. So second one is greater. Now part C, here we have 6 and here also we have 6. So the number of digits are same. So we will compare the first one. So which number is having the greater digit? This one. It means this is greater. That is 8,07,670 and this is 7,69,070. So obviously this one is greater. Now next is, this number is having 6 digit and this is also having 6 digits. So first digit in both the numbers is same. So we will compare the second one, and in the second number the second digit is greater. So obviously the second one is greater. It means 3,45,005 is greater than 3,27,605. Now next one, here we have 3 and 3, 6 and 7 and here we have 3 and 3, 6 and 7. So number of digits are same. First digit is same, second digit is same, and the third digit of first number is greater as compared to the third digit of the second number. So obviously this number is greater, means 87,87,878 is greater. Now next one, here we have 4 and 3 7 and here we have 4 and 3 7. So both the numbers are having equal number of digits. First digit is same, second digit is also same, but third digit of second number is greater. So second one is greater, means here we have 90,68,921 and this is greater as compared to 90,05,370. Now let us do the second question. Find the smallest and the greatest numbers from the following. Here 4 numbers are given. We have to identify the smallest and the greatest number. So let us see. So similarly you will count the number of digits in all the numbers, and the number which will have less digits, that number will be the smallest one. So here we can see that this one is having less number of digits as compared to the other numbers. So 72315 means 72,315 is the smallest one. And if we look for the greatest one, so this one is the greatest number because its first digit is greater as compared to the other number, whereas the number of digits are equal in all these numbers. So 900101, this is the greatest one. Now next question. Here also we have 4 digits. Now we have to first of all see the number of digits. So here we have 3 and 3 6 and 1 7, 3 3 6 1 7, 3 3 6 and here 4 plus 3 7. So these numbers are having 7 digits and this one is having 6 digits. So this one is the smallest one, means 999 is the smallest number. And for the greatest one, we can just see that this one is the greatest number, means 99,99,999 is the greatest number, because this one is 93 lakh something, this one is 28 lakh something, and this one is 99 lakh something. So this one is the greatest. Next is question number 3. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Now we have to arrange the given numbers in ascending order. Ascending means from smallest to biggest. So we have to identify which one is the smallest one. So here 2,85,002 is the smallest one. It will be written first. Then 4,35,198. And after that 9,302 and at last 9,97,651. Now similarly we will do the next part, that is part B. So here we have 4 numbers. Now let us see, in all the numbers the number of digits are same, that is 6. So we can easily compare the first digit of all the numbers. So 2,92,725 is the smallest one. After that 3,70,587. Now we have to compare these two numbers. So this is 4,02,019 and this is 4,50,020. So obviously which one is smaller? This one is smaller, that is 4,02,019 and at last 4,50,020. Next is part C. So here again we have 4 digits and the first number is having 7 digits. The second number is also having 7 digits. The third number is having 5 digits and the fourth number is having 6 digits. It means the smallest one is this, which is having 5 digits. 35,715. After this the number which is having 6 digits, that is 5,37,819. Now we have to compare these two numbers. So this is 19,25,378 and this is 20,35,450. So obviously this one is smaller. So first of all we will write 19,25,378 and then 20,35,450. Next is part C. So here again we have 4 digits and the first number is having 7 digits. The second number is also having 2 digits. The third number is having 5 digits and the fourth number is having 6 digits. It means the smallest one is this, which is having 5 digits. 35,715. After this the number which is having 6 digits, that is 5,37,819. Now we have to compare these two numbers. So this is 19,25,378 and this is 20,35,450. So obviously this one is smaller. So first of all we will write 19,25,378 and then 20,35,450. Now let us do the next question, and the question is, arrange the following in descending order. Now in this question we have to arrange the given numbers in descending orders, means from biggest to smallest. So let us compare all these numbers and see which one is the greatest one. So these two numbers are having 7 digits and these two numbers are having 6 digits. So these are the smaller one. So let us compare the biggest one. So this is 87,75,923 and this is 20,23,785. So you can mention the places over these numbers to compare them if you feel any difficulty. So which one is the greatest one? 87,75,923. Then comes 20,23,785. Then comes 8,78,919 and at last the smallest one is 4,23,610. Now the next one. So let us compare these numbers. So we can easily find that this one is the greatest one because this is having more number of digits. So 19,20,023 is the greatest one. Then comes the second one, that is 9,25,215. Then comes 1,70,819 and at last 525. Next is part C. So here let us see which one is the greatest one. So here we can see that 32,32,572 is the greatest one. Then comes 19,23,892. Then comes 4,07,084 and at last 62,705. For easily identifying the numbers, you can mention the places over them so that it becomes easier for you to just identify which one is greater and which one is smaller. Now let us do the next question. Question number 5. Write the smallest and the greatest numbers using each of the following digits only once. So here some digits are given. We have to frame two numbers, smallest and greatest. For smallest we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. For greatest we have to arrange these numbers in the descending order. But whenever we are arranging the numbers in ascending order, 0 will not come at the first place. A number never starts with 0. So the number which is greater than 0, it will come first and after that we have to write 0. So the smallest number will be 203459, and the greatest one will be, we will now just write all these digits in the descending order, that is 9, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 0. So this is how we can frame the smallest and the greatest number using the given digits. Now next one is 2304687. We have to arrange these digits to form a smallest and a greatest number. Again the method will be same. Arrange these numbers in ascending order for writing the smallest number, but 0 will not come first. 0 will come at the second place. So 2034678. This is the smallest number and the greatest is 8764320. Fine. So this is how you can frame the greatest and the smallest numbers. Now next is question number 6. So let us see. Write any number of 7 digits. Write another number by reversing the digits and find which of the two numbers is smaller. First of all, you have to write any 7-digit number. After that you have to reverse it and you have to frame another number, and then you have to see which one is smaller. So let us just find the first number, that is 2305961. You can write any number, fine. So I have written this one. Now number when digits are changed or reversed, when you will reverse it, which number you will get? 1695032. This is the number which you will get when you will reverse these digits. Now let us see which one is smaller. Now let us compare these two numbers and see which one is smaller. So the first one is 16,95,032 and second one is 23,05,961. So obviously this one is smaller. Now let's see the next question. By using 0, 2, 4, 5 and 6, write the smallest and the greatest numbers of 6 digits. So here we are given with how many digits? 5 digits, but we need to frame 6 digits, smallest and the greatest number. It means we need to repeat 1 digit. Fine. So when we will frame the smallest number, we will repeat the smallest digit, and when we will write the greatest number, we will repeat the greatest digit to make a 6-digit smallest and greatest number. So for writing smallest number, we have to arrange all these numbers in ascending order. So first of all, we will write 2, then we will repeat 0, we will write 0 2 times, 4, 5 and 6, because we have to write the numbers in ascending order, but we can't start the number with 0, we have to start with the number which is next to 0, greater than 0, fine. So 200456 means 2,04,56 is the smallest number. Now for writing the greatest number, we will write these digits in decreasing order and we have to repeat the greatest one. It means 6 will be written twice, then 5420. It means 6,65,420. Now next is question number 8. By using 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, write the smallest and the greatest number of 7 digits. Now here with these given 5 digits, we have to frame the smallest and greatest number of 7 digits. It means again we have to repeat the digits, that is when we will write the smallest number, we will repeat the smallest digit. When we will write the greatest number, at that time we will repeat the greatest digit to make a 7-digit number. So for writing smallest number, we will write these numbers in ascending order and we will just write 0 3 times, because then only we will have a 7-digit smallest number. So 10,234 will be the smallest 7-digit number, and for writing the greatest number, we have to write these digits in descending order and we have to repeat the greatest one. It means we have to write the greatest digit, that is 4, 3 times, smallest also 3 times, greatest also 3 times, because 5 digits are already given. Fine. So 4443210 means 44,43,210 will be the greatest 7-digit number. Now the next question, question number 9. Write the greatest and smallest number of 6 digits by using 230541 only once, such that the digit 4 always appears at the hundreds place. Now here in this question, What we have to do, we have to, first of all, we are given with 6 digits. We can't repeat any digit, and we have to frame one greatest and one smallest 6-digit number. But in both the numbers, 4 will always be at the hundreds place only. So first of all, at hundreds place, we can write the 4. Fine. Keeping 4 fixed at hundreds place in both the cases. When we have to write the greatest number, we will just write these numbers in descending order. But 4 will be at the hundreds place. Rest of the numbers we will arrange or write in descending order. So 532410 means 5,32,410. For writing the smallest number, again, first of all, we will write 4 at hundreds place, and then we will arrange rest of the numbers or write rest of the numbers in ascending order beginning with 1. So 1, 0, 2, 4 is already there. 3 and 5 means 1,02,435 will be the smallest 6-digit number. So I hope you all would have understood this exercise. Thank you.